Do you want to receive something like this? If you want it, if you need it, just keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And to those who don't know me yet, my name is Blaise Luyong here in Basicology with me. Today we're going to review about ESL certificates. And first certificate na natanggap ko is yung TESOL certificate. Pangalawa is yung TEFL certificate. Pangatlo is TESL certificate. At ang pinakahuli ay ang TEYL certificate. So ngayon, apat sila. May pa-props pa ako. Apat sila at paano ko ba natanggap yung mga certificates na yon? So I will explain to you in this video the meaning of each courses, its importance, and why you should have this certificate, these kinds of courses. So these are the meanings of each courses. So first, ano ba yung TESOL? TESOL is an umbrella term that stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages and refers to teaching English to non-native speakers in your home country or abroad. TESOL certificates are generally more in-depth and deliver more learning material. Okay? And yung TESL stands for Teaching English as a Second Language and refers to teaching English to non-native speakers in a native-speaking country. Okay? And TEFL stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language, refers to teaching English to non-native speakers in a country where English is not an official language, or it's not their primary language, or it's not their lingua franca. And the last is TEYL. It stands for Teaching English to Young Learners. So alam naman natin kung ano yung young learners, like kids, yung mga bata na zero knowledge, or yung mga kids to teenagers. They are still considered young learners. So yun guys, yun yung short meaning ng mga courses na kinuha ko. So I will make a separate video about each courses sa susunod para mas ma-elaborate ko pa ano bang ibig sabihin ng mga courses na yon at bakit kailangan natin sila pag-aralan, di ba? So bakit ba mahalaga na makuha ko yung mga certificates na ito? Bakit mo ba kailangan to? Diba? Okay, so if you are an English major and you are an ESL aspirant, you want to work from home or a home-based job, and if you like to just have more opportunities to come in the future, then you need these certificates. Yes. So, sinuot ko po yung isa sa mga medals ko. Yan. Para naman ma-feel ko na talagang akin na talaga siya. Okay, pero hindi ko po sinuot yung tatlo kasi medyo mabigat na sa liig. At hindi lang po medal yung natanggap ko and hindi lang certificates. Okay, meron din po akong plaque. Yes, may plaque ako. Sabi dito, this plaque is presented to my name and for completing the 4 English courses. Baka may magtanong, ma'am, parang mahal naman po yung plaque. Tsaka may mga medals ka pa. Okay? Tapos may certificates ka pa. Ganon. Magbabayad ka pa sa enrollment kung saan ka nag-enroll. Saan po ba kayo nag-enroll talaga? Anong website po ba yan? Affordable po ba yan? Okay, so I will answer your questions. Now, I'd like to share you this website. So this is High English Training and Assessment Center. So, guys, hindi lang ito basta-bastang website. Okay? This is global. Ibig sabihin, pag mag-enroll ka sa courses nila, yung mga certificates na matanggap mo is recognized globally. Okay? This is recognized globally. So una, hindi ko talaga alam na may high English. Okay? Yung alam ko lang is magsuscroll-scroll lang ako ng Facebook. Ganon. So nagsuscroll ako ng Facebook. Ganyan, ano bang meron dito? Tapos may ad. Okay, may advertisement. Pero nung nakita ko yung advertisement nila, yung post nila sa Facebook page nila, same pa rin yung pangalan. This is the Facebook page. Yan. Okay, natouch ko lang yan. Pinakita ko sa inyo dyan. You can follow, like, and share sa mga post ng High English Training and Assessment Center. So I tried to inquire about their service and napakamura lang talaga siya, guys. Okay, papakita ko ulit sa inyo. So ganito po yung price niya. So kung isang course lang po yung gusto nyo, meron po dyan, 499 pesos lang ang babayaran nyo. No hidden fees. Okay, 2 courses yung gusto nyo, 799 lang. 3 courses yung gusto nyo, 899 lang siya. And then 4 courses, naging 999 lang. O diba? Mas maganda pag 4 courses. Kasi ako, diretso ako 4 courses eh. Yung iba naman, gusto nila isang course lang muna o 2 course lang muna, ganon. Pero para sa akin, maganda yung 4 courses kasi 999 lang naman siya eh. Yes. And, depende na talaga yan sa inyo kung ano yung kampante kayo. Kasi hindi naman lahat afford yung 999. Pero talaga, meron siyang advantage. Merong advantage pag 4 na courses yung iti-take mo. And meron din pong hard copy certificate. Nagbibigay po sila ng digital certificate after na matapos mo lahat ng course na kinuha mo, na tinake mo. Pwede kang mag-avail sa kanila ng hard copy. 500 pesos lang siya with dry seal and holder. Ibig sabihin, yung dry seal, legit sila, guys. Guys, legit sila. They are DTI registered. And may plaque sila. It's 999. Medyo mahal siya, no? Talagang mahal talaga siya. Kasi wala naman talagang plaque na hindi mahal. Okay? Medal is 200 each. Kasi meron po siyang pangalan. It is made talaga siya na may pangalan po sa nag-avail. And then shipping fee is 150 pesos. Anywhere in the Philippines. Dito lang yan sa Pilipinas. Okay? So don't forget, yan yung introductory price. And hindi naman kailangan na kunin mo lahat ng yan. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede mong i-avail. Kung ayaw mo naman kasi medyo mahal, marami kang nang babayaran, di ang mas importante basta natapos mo yung course. Okay? May digital certificate ka naman eh. So, how legit? Okay, di ba sabi ko, DTI registered sila? Hindi lang sila DTI registered. Okay. So, for example, may certificate ka na. So, ano po ba yung benefits na matanggap natin? What's in it for me? What's in it for you? So, una, you can have job opportunities here and abroad. And Next, eto. Pag teacher ka talaga eh. Katulad ko, pag teacher ka talaga, okay na okay ito sa DepEd ranking. Okay? May points yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan yung points na ibibigay. And then, it's eligible for DFA authentication. Ayan. Improves your resume, of course. Napakaganda ng resume mo pag meron ka nito. And lifetime validity. Wala siyang expiration, guys. Hindi katulad ng mga webinars, seminars na nasa online or nasa on-site. Alam mo, may validity siya. Pero etong mga certificates na to, lifetime. Pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit kailan hanggang mamatay. Ano ba yan? Okay, offers hard copies with golden seal and holder. O, di ba? Grabe na talaga. Ano ba? Ba't hindi pa kayo mag-avail? Okay. And, di ba? Nako, sinasabi ko na talaga sa inyo. Ito talaga. This is how you know that this company or this institution or business is legit. Okay, DTI registration. This certifies that High English Training Center, alam nyo na kung ano yan. Okay, so I am very grateful that this person here, si Miss Abigail Cruz Stanislao. Hello, ma'am. Okay, siya po yung nag-guide sa akin. Siya po yung nagbigay ng inspirasyon na matapos ko to, na pwedeng-pwede po akong mag-avail nito. Yan, napakabait po ni Ma'am Abigail. Andyan po siya kung may mga inquiries ako. Kaya thank you po talaga, Miss Abigail. And pwede niyo po siyang hanapin sa Facebook. Okay, just look at this page, High English Training and Assessment Center. Ganon. And I will be glad to answer your questions. So kung may questions po kayo, you can comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.